Two-ingredient pineapple Dole Whip recipe is to die for. Pineapples are sweet and delicious tropical fruits, and we all love them. They are loaded with healthy nutrients and antioxidants and can provide many health benefits. Well guys, this means one thing: you should eat pineapples every day. The experts say that pineapple is extremely effective against water retention, bloating and cellulite. It's rich in water, about 90% potassium that eliminates the excess of water, iron that creates red blood cells which are known to transport the oxygen throughout the whole body. The experts have discovered that pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain that improves the digestion and fights against the inflammatory processes of the organism. Another very important property of this enzyme is that it can fasten your metabolism. Can I ask you a simple question? Did you know that pineapple is a hypocaloric fruit? 100 grams of pineapple have just 40 calories. You should know that the best way to consume pineapple is when it's fresh and ripe, as well as keep it in the fridge upside down so that the sugar can melt in the whole fruit. When it's fresh, its crust is yellowish orange in color and without any spots. Its structure is hard and the leaves are green. Pineapple, health benefits. As we mentioned before, the super healthy fruit is best known for its powerful compound, bromelain. Bromelain is an anti-inflammatory compound that reduces the swelling and pain of tendinitis, sprains and strains and other injuries. It also works well against arthritis and osteoarthritis. You should also know that this powerful compound can help you treat and prevent other health problems such as bronchitis, high blood pressure, sinusitis and post-surgery complications. It also fights breast cancer. Some of these effects are enhanced by the fruit's high vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium and iron content. 15 amazing pineapple recipes. 1 cocktail pops. You should definitely try these. Well, these refreshing popsicles are good enough to balance out the sweetness of the blackberries and creamy enough to tone down the pineapple. The recipe calls for vodka and cilantro, but feel free to adapt it to your taste. 2 carrot pineapple cake. Carrot pineapple cake is a tropical twist on an old classic. Note: you can make this fruit cake shine through even more. You just have to add a bit of pineapple juice to the homemade frosting. 3 pineapple upside down pancake. Pancakes, well, this may not sound very exciting, but this caramelized pineapple recipe adds just the right amount of sweetness to this classic breakfast food. Serve with boiled down pineapple juice and cinnamon. 4 pineapple salsa. Note: you should know that this bright and refreshing salsa is perfectly salty, sweet and spicy. Bring it to a potluck or summer barbecue and let the compliments roll in. 5 2-ingredient Dole Whip. This delicious summer treat only requires 2 ingredients, coconut milk and frozen pineapple. Yes, that's it. Well, this means one thing: you should definitely try it. You will need the following ingredients: 4 cups, 16 ounces per 450 grams, small chunks frozen pineapple. 1 cup, 8 ounces per 225 grams, of low-fat coconut milk or milk of choice almond regular. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you should put the coconut milk and frozen chunks of pineapple into a food processor or high-powered blender. Note: the pineapple has to be frozen. Turn on food processor and blend until the consistency becomes creamy. And you should know that you have to stop several times and scoop down the pineapple. Keep blending until all of the pineapple chunks are gone and the mix is smooth. Enjoy immediately as it is soft. Serve and should be eaten straight away. If you want to freeze a little, you can just know it does freeze solid once frozen and is no longer soft. 6 tropical teriyaki chicken. To be honest with you, this delicious recipe looks great when served in a hollowed out pineapple. It's best to swap out the canola oil for coconut oil and cut the pineapple into small chunks to add to the rice. You should definitely try it. 7 easy pineapple cake. First, you should know that this yummy cake can be a little heavy on the calories, so you may want to skip out on the icing and cut the sugar down to half. Instead, top with boiled down pineapple or raspberries. 8 Pinanyang Manok Chicken. Chicken and fruit, don't get turned off by this unusual combination. To be honest with you, it's actually incredibly delicious. With a bit of tomato and a few spices, this Philippine stew will become your favorite go-to meal. 9 Pineapple Coconut Tea Cake. Pineapple coconut tea cake, this moist and buttery pound cake smells just as amazing as it tastes. Enjoy it as a lovely complement to a soothing cup of afternoon tea. 10 Pineapple Ice Cream. Do you know what's better than a succulent cone of ice cream? Well, that's easy to answer, homemade ice cream, of course. Note: for a vegan alternative, use coconut milk instead of dairy and add a bit of lime zest to ramp up the flavor. 11 Pineapple Ginger Iced Tea. Note: you can use the pineapple scraps, yes, you just have to boil them down with ginger and cinnamon for a delicious iced tea. 12 Avocado Pineapple Salad. As we said, the tropics are well known for their beautiful beaches and delicious fruit, so it's no surprise that they know how to utilize pineapple. Using just a touch of spice, the salad plays with complementary flavors that will open up your appetite and cleanse your palate. 13 Pan Roasted Chicken with Pineapple Chili Glaze. To be honest with you, you'll never look at pineapple the same way again after trying this Hawaiian meal. If you like crispy chicken skin and juicy syrup, then you'll love this recipe. You will love it. 14 Pineapple Ginger Smoothie. You will need the following ingredients: pineapple chunks, pineapple orange juice, fresh ginger and Greek yogurt. Freeze it to make popsicles, drink on its own or combine with toasted nuts and granola for a tropical breakfast. 15 Tamarind Pork with Pineapple Ginger Chutney. Note: you should know that the key to this recipe is all in the chutney. With a touch of full-bodied rum and a kick of spice, you'll be eating it by the spoonful. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.